Right, the next colourful kids character is a pirate. But of course, if you want to know what's coming up next, subscribe, hit that button. Okay, right, we're starting with our vermilion pencil, red, orangey red, to start off with the pirate's hat. Right, so basically I'll draw a round shape like that for the kind of bandana type thing that's tied around the pirate's head. There's a wee knot. Okay, like that. And then I'll carry on by drawing one eye there looking out, and the nose, and the mouth. But I won't put the teeth in just now because I want to put them in black. Okay, I'll carry on with the beard, mind you. I'll do that next because that's going to be kind of orangey colour anyway. I'll put that in, and I think I'll move to the black next to draw in his eye patch, which will come across his bandana there, and the eye patch will kind of cover that area there. So we'll shade that in. Okay, and now I can put the teeth in one line and then gritted across the way like that. Okay, let's just colour in the hat. So big spots like that, white spots, and I'll shade in the middle in between here. Okay, and there we go. Right, that's the hat done. Yeah, I think I'm maybe a bit ahead of myself here. I think I'll draw the body in now. Now I'm going to put blue stripes on the jersey, so I'm going to start off drawing the outline with a blue colour. That's Prussian blue there, okay? So he's got his arm raised up like that. He's holding his cutlass. His other arm probably down by his side, like that. Okay, and you got a big belt on. Let's come across his stomach like that. Okay, and then at the bottom of his, oops, you find that your pencil does tend to break if you put too much weight on it. Right, now the trousers, I'm going to do red stripes, so I'll do it with a red pencil here. Okay, and his little legs, I'm going to do blue stripes, so I'm going to use blue for the outline again. I'll carry on, I'll just use blue for the outline of his shoes. And there's a couple of big buckled shoes there and there. Okay. And there's his heel and the sole, like that. Okay, his hands, I'll do it with the red again. He's holding his cutlass, I think, so you see his big knuckles, like that. And then the cutlass itself I'll put in with blue. Okay, there's the handle of the cutlass there. Go down. It's holding that, right? And then that bit comes around the back, and then he's got the blade of the cutlass coming up there, something like that. And down here, well, I think we'll give him the usual pirate accoutrement of a hook. Okay, so there's our pirate. Now let's colour him in. Now this blue that I've used is quite dark, so if you want to make your character look kind of three-dimensional, you can shade a wee bit on the inside like that. See that? Give a wee bit of roundness to your character, like that. Just a wee bit there. The other side maybe. Going up there. And the way to make a blade look shiny, by the way, is again use the kind of flat bit of your pencil and just very, very lightly shade little stripes across it like that. Like the light's catching it, see that? And maybe a wee bit coming around there, and a wee bit there. Okay, Maybe it's catching there. Excellent. Right, now I think we'll put in, well, I haven't finished this yet, sorry, I'll do a bit more shading there. Okay, and maybe underneath his shirt as well, a bit of a shadow there. Okay, maybe a little bit of shading down here too. And this card only uses dark blue for the shading. Like that, okay? And his shoe as well. Excellent. Now let's see, I'll do the face I think. So I'll use this kind of a ochre colour first of all, quite lightly. And his beard will come over the top of his mouth, so I'll just shade around this bit here. Right, around there. So leave that bit there. That's his beard colour. Then over the top of that kind of ochre colour, I'll put a kind of pinky colour. You know, that kind of flesh colour there coming in. You see that? And maybe a wee bit of red for his cheek. He leads a healthy life, the pirate, you know, out in the 7 seas. So he's got a red nose and a red cheek there. Okay, a bit more red around his mouth. And his beard, well, I think we'll colour it in orange. Again, you can use kind of jagged lines to suggest the hairiness of the beard if you like. And doing that kind of thing. Going up, right around his mouth. And down to there. Now if your colour pencil's soft enough, you'll be able to really get some nice, bright, strong colours. Oop, broken again. Yeah, still a bit left. That's it. Maybe I'll go over that with a wee touch of red to bring it out a bit more. You can put jagged lines to suggest his beard. Okay, a bit more shading under there. And maybe a wee touch of blue or dark blue on over the pupil of the eye there to bring it out a bit more. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay, now the actual jacket he's got, I thought it might be better, it looks stripy. You know, so what you do is you take a lighter blue and put in pale stripes across like that. Okay, just pale stripes. Not bother about shading it at the moment. And then another bit, put another one in there actually. Another one coming across there. And one coming across there, under his beard. Okay, and one there, like that. And maybe his socks will have the same kind of stripes on it, like that. And this is where you can start to put a bit more three-dimensionality into it by put a bit more weight on your pencil there on the inside, and then fade out a bit. Like that, you see? A bit more weight and fade out. Like that. This is the dark side anyway, so you're putting a bit more shading on that. Okay, now the same with the legs, a bit more weight on there and there. Okay, his trousers I think will make stripiness going that way. And there's red going down the way. A dark stripe there, and another one, and another one. Yeah, it's beginning to look a nice colourful character, isn't he? Great. And a bit more red shading in there. Excellent. Now, his boots. Let's see if we can find a brown colour here. There's a brown. Maybe this brown would be better, I think, because we'll use this for his belt as well. Again, outside, dark, and as you move to the middle of the belt, a wee bit lighter. Okay, like that. So dark, weight there, and then coming in a bit lighter there, like that. some a bit more shading under there, and get your dark blue again. Put some shading around about the, this is the blue-grey, around the silver buckle, like that. Maybe a bit of brown for his, the wooden part of his hook there. And then the blue is just the metal of the hook, like that. Okay, and the brown again for his shoes, bit of shading in there, the back, the heel, bit there. And then if you want to make the shoes look shiny, leave a white bit of the toe and shade in the rest like that. Okay, white bit of the toe and the rest in like that. Excellent. And we can put a bit more weight on it to make the sole a bit darker, like that. More shading around there. Yep. Tighten it up a bit. Okay, oh, I've forgotten his hand. Let's see that ochre colour. There. We've got shading around the back of his knuckles. And take the weight off and do it lightly, and then put the pink over the top. Excellent. Right, where's my nice red? This is one here, and I'll put a bit more shading on that, I think. And deepen that up a bit. See that? If you put a bit more weight on it, see how the colour deepens. Maybe more weight under there. Some more on here. A wee touch of colour on there, and some more there. Oh, forgot of the rest of his scarf, his bandana there. A wee touch of white there. Okay, there was a wee touch of red in there. Excellent. So there is our Fearless Pirate. Okay, maybe a wee bit light on that, the buckle yet. Okay. Excellent. So you can check out the rest of my videos where I'll be drawing lots more great colourful kids characters. Okay, but in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.